Hello and welcome. Today we will be learning about how to use a compass and a map.
What is a compass? A compass is a tool for finding direction. A simple compass is a magnetic needle mounted on a pivot or a short pin. The needle, which can spin freely, always points north.
There are 4 main points on a compass: north, south, east, and west.
How does it work? A compass works because Earth is a huge magnet. A magnet has 2 main centers of force, called poles, one at each end. Lines of magnetic force connect these poles. Bits of metal near a magnet always arrange themselves along these lines. A compass needle acts like these bits of metal. It points north because it lines up with the Earth's lines of magnetic force.
Where did the compass come from? People in China and Europe first learned how to make magnetic compasses during the 1100s. They discovered that when a magnetized bit of iron floated in the water, it pointed north. Sailors soon began to use compasses to navigate or find their way out to sea.
Maps. Every map will have a compass on it. The top will face north. This will help you to read a map, and if you walk in a certain direction, you should reach your destination.
For example, here is a map of a kid's zoo. There are lots of exciting things to see. At the bottom left-hand corner is our compass. We can use this to navigate.
Here we have 2 kids wanting to get to the lion enclosure.
For example, what direction do they need to move in order to get there?
If you said south, you are correct.
If the kids were at the ice cream truck and wanted to go to the tiger enclosure, what direction would they go?
If you said north, you are correct.
Once you understand the basics of a compass, you can start using more advanced directions, such as adding in steps.
For example, here's a grid map. We can see that we have a compass, but now we have squares.
If we started at the lighthouse and wanted to get to the castle, what direction would we move and how many squares?
If you said west 5 steps, then you are correct.
We hope this helped.